Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sort your media on CapCut PC, like how you can sort it on the kind of media manager here, I guess. So for instance, you have a lot of files like I do, and I want to just see like videos only, photos only, and audio only. It is super simple. Just go here, and if you want to see video only, just select video. If you want to view audio, just select audio, and if you want to view images only, just select image. And then if you just have a lot, you can sort it like that. You can also sort it by time created, name, file type, duration, and stuff. So if you sort it by file type, I think they're going to have it video, and then photo, and then audio here. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!